Hi! In this video, I will show you how to animate from audio in Adobe Express. Go to Add button right here. Click on Quick Actions and click on Animate from Audio. First is we will record our audio here, and then choose our character right here. We can also choose our background. You can also upload your own background image. And then choose the size here. It depends on where you will post or upload your animation.
Hi, my name is Aiki. What's your name?
And click download to download your animation. And that's it. Thank you for watching. For more videos like this, please subscribe on our channel. Bye!